Realme is reported to working on X9 series of phones. Probably the rumored X9 and X9 Pro phones may go official in Q2. A Chinese tipster has now claimed that the company will be introducing the Realme X9 Pro smartphone. The new leak claims that the Realme X9 Pro will feature a display with punch hole positioned at its upper left corner. The screen will carry support for full HD plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. Realme fans, a new exciting phone is coming. And guys, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel. A lot of support is needed from you all. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. A couple of interesting leaks came to me that I am going to share in this video. So stick around, let's start. When MediaTek announced the Dimensity 1200 chipset in January, Realme was one of the first brands to confirm that it will be launching a Dimensity 1200 powered smartphone. According to the tipster, the Realme X9 Pro will arrive with the all-new D1200 chip. The handset may draw power from a 4500 mAh battery that supports 65 watt fast charging. For photography, it may come with a primary camera of 108 megapixel. These specs are exactly matching X9 Pro's leaked details that was appeared in January. It was revealed a few additional pieces of information such as the X9 Pro has a 6.4-inch screen that offers an FHD plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. It has a 108 megapixel plus 13 megapixel ultra wide plus 13 megapixel telephoto triple camera setup. It may come with up to 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB or 256 GB of storage. It may run on Realme UI 2.0 based Android 11 OS. In related news, Reliable Tipster shared CAD renders based on real-life images of a mysterious Realme phone. The phone can be seen sporting a water-drop notch screen with a thick chin. Its rear shell has a traditional fingerprint scanner and a triple camera system. It also features a 3.5mm audio jack. Hopefully the name of this mysterious phone will be revealed in the coming days. Guys, if you like this video, please give me your likes, comments and shares. And guys, if you are visiting my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whatever the latest leaked informations I am revealing through my YouTube channel will get updated to you at the earliest. Thanks for watching. Catch you again with another episode of Inside Stories. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned. This is Subir. Sign off.